Hey, so what if I tell you that you can earn $100, $200, or even $500 without any skills? Sounds too good to be true, right? So you must be wondering, if it doesn't require any skill, then what you need to do. So basically, you just need to suggest a name. Still wondering what it is? So let me take you directly to the website. You need to write SquadHelp on Google and then just go to this website over here. So what is SquadHelp? SquadHelp is basically a name suggesting website. Basically, different companies come over here and they need to get a better name, a unique and creative name for their brands. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to suggest a creative and unique name for their brands. All you got to do is look for their company details and see what their company is all about, and then suggest a name by doing some research and brainstorming and anything you like to do for generating a better name. So in this video, I'm also going to tell you that how you can get business name ideas, how you can suggest to the companies. I'm practically going to show you how you can actually do that. And as I said in the beginning, that you do not need any skills to do that. I'll show you step by step that what you need to do to suggest a name and win up to $500 per day. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, this is the website that we need to use, and you can see the website over here. It's a legit website, so you do not need to worry about anything, because you can see the real people using the website, and it has 4.9 out of 5 stars from 25,000 customers all over the world, and businesses are really using it. And you can explore the website yourself and see what it has. Let's get started. So what you need to do is you just need to go to the sign up button over here and sign up for the website. That's the first step, of course. So you'll fill up all your details over here, and right in this video I'm going to create an account right in front of you. So stay tuned with the video. You need to join as a creative or marketplace seller. You can also join as a buyer, but you are not a buyer over here. You are going to earn some money by suggesting names, so you need to select join as a creative or marketplace seller. So after clicking that, just click on create an account. So after creating an account, it will ask you some more details. So upload a profile picture of yourself. So basically, now once you have created your profile, it will ask you that what are you gonna do? Are you going to participate in naming contest? Like I just told you in the beginning, that you need to suggest name for the companies and a type of a contest. Okay, so there will be different contests running on, and you need to participate in the contest and suggest the names. That's it. That's all you're gonna do. So for that, you just need to give $10 as a sign up fees, and you can earn a lot more than that. So $10 for sign up fees is nothing to pay. Okay, so and it's totally a legit website here, so you do not need to worry about anything. And the second thing is participate in the logo contest. So for participating in the logo contest, all you need to do is submit logo designs for the company. So all those companies that are being suggested the good names, they will ask for the logos as well, so you can participate in the logo contest as well. And for that you do not have any sign up fees. All you need to do is you should have a good portfolio. Okay, so once you have a good portfolio, you can send the portfolio to this email address, and they will let you participate in the contest, logo contest. And the third thing is sell domains. You can also sell domains in the marketplace. So I'll click on all of these things and then continue to the payment. Okay, so you can pay this fee by PayPal or by Visa or debit card. So you can use that as well. So once you're done with the payment, all you need to do is go to the dashboard over here. Just click on the dashboard button and it will take you to the dashboard. So here is your dashboard. So go to the left hand panel of your screen and see for the contest button, and just click on the contest button, and then after that just click on active contest. So once you click active contest, you will see all the active contest list over here, and that's the game. That's where the game begins. So you can see all of the companies that are looking for names, and you can see the winning prize is $200 and then $135, and you can see guaranteed price over here. So you do not need to worry about the price because they already submitted the price to SquadHelp, and once you win the contest they will release your payment. So it's that easy, and it's that simple, and it's that legit. So if you just scroll over here, you can see $200, $135, $200, $135, even $300. Right, so all you need to do is just suggest a brand name to them. So if you can see, they have written a brief about their brand. So the contest brief is only visible to those creative who sign a non-disclosure agreement. So basically they want a non-disclosure agreement, so you can just skip that. And also here you can see they need an app name for a tech startup. You can see the details over here. So we can suggest the name to this company. So once you open the detailed page, you can see the contest type of the project, and some details over here, and some other details over here. After watching all of that, you can submit your entry over here. So you can see the time remaining over here is 1 day 20 hours, and your winning prize is $100. So if you can just submit your entry and wait for 1 day and 20 hours, and then you can see you win it or not. And if you win it, you just simply earn $100 out of nothing by just suggesting a name. Now the main thing is, how would you suggest a name? So for that, I'll show you a tool for suggesting a name, for generating a name, but you just need to use that tool for an idea. You should come up with a creative and different name. And if you do that, if you do a little bit of research, if you do a little bit of work, you'll definitely gonna get the prize. So let me show you the tool now. So this is the tool name, Namelix. Just search for the Namelix on Google, and this is the website that will appear. So what was the contest about? It's an app name for a tech startup. So let's search for tech app and just generate a name. So we'll go for the short name because it goes better, it's popular one. And then let's see what come up. So here you go. Here you can see there are a lot of designs and logo names. So you do not need to do anything by yourself. Just look at these designs, just look at these names, and you can suggest these names and submit these entries as well. Just leave the premium ones because they will be expensive. Just go for these types of logos that are free. Okay, so I kind of like that. And once you click that, so all you need to do is just open this sniping tool. Just take the snapshot of this, save it, or you can design this same thing on Canva as well. If you know a little bit of designing, just drag and drop features, you can use Canva as well to design a logo if you like to design yourself. So what I'll do is I'll save this on my computer, and I'll go back to it, and then I just submit my entry. So I'll write company name over here. It was WTech. After suggesting some couple of names, I saw that some names were not available. So this is the name I came up with, and this is available as well. So you can see it's okay to submit the company name, and it's okay to submit the domain name as well. Once it's all done, just click on the submit button, and your entry has been submitted to the contest. That's it, guys. You have entered the contest successfully. Now you just need to wait for 1 day and 20 hours, and you can see after that if you win $100 or not. Similarly, like this, you can enter into multiple contests as well. You can enter to all contests that says eligible to enter. That's it, guys. This is how simple it is, and you can earn multiple $100 with this same thing. You can do it full time, you can do it part time. It's totally up to you.